How do you build a base of loyal fans that subscribe and continue to remain active on your YouTube channel? Anyone can watch a video, but not everyone will subscribe and continue to be active on your channel. Did you know that subscribers tend to watch twice as much video as non-subscribers? So how do you build a base of loyal fans on YouTube? In this video, I'm going to share 7 ways to build a community of loyal fans on YouTube. Hello, my name is Herman Drost from drostdesigns.com. If you want to grow your audience on YouTube and generate traffic, leads, and subscribers on autopilot, hit the subscribe button or hit the bell notification icon. How do you define a loyal fan? They'll binge watch your videos, they'll share your content with others without being asked to. They'll purchase your products and services. Here are 7 ways to grow your fan base on YouTube. Number 1, be authentic. Authenticity creates a deeper connection with your subscribers, so they'll become your loyal fans. Share your personal journey on YouTube. How did you come to be on YouTube, and share your passion? Have a mission statement about what you believe. For example, I firmly believe that I can help people grow their audience on YouTube and generate traffic, leads, and subscribers on autopilot. Think about catchphrases or special words that identify you to your audience. Number 2, create awesome content. Most people will become your loyal fans because they love your content. How can you capitalize on that? Instead of creating one tutorial on a specific topic, create a series of videos that goes deeper into the topic. Your fans will love this because they're getting valuable content. Also, create videos on unique topics that nobody has tackled yet or nobody has gone into depth about. If you continue to upload content that offers value to subscribers, they'll become your biggest fans. Number 3, be consistent. Have you ever watched a TV series where you couldn't wait to tune in every week? When you have a consistent upload schedule every week, your subscribers will know what to expect. For example, I upload new videos every Monday, Thursday, and go live every Friday. Number 4, connect with your audience. People love to interact and share their stories. Some of the ways that you can interact with your audience is by replying to comments. You can also like and heart the comments. When you heart a comment, it re-engages your audience because YouTube sends a notification to them. If one of your fans gives a great response to your videos in the comments, pin that comment to the top. Alternatively, you can pin your own comment to the top by asking a question to get the conversation going. Update your About page. Many visitors will check out your About page to find out what you're all about. Subscribe to fans' channels. If you love the content of your fans, subscribe to their channels. Create a thank you video. When you reach a certain milestone with your channel, perhaps you can create a thank you video. Create a collab video. Perhaps there's a certain topic you can collaborate on with your fans. This will help their channels to get more exposure. Survey your audience. If you get stuck for ideas about what you want to share with your audience, survey them. Another way to connect with your audience is to create a Facebook group. This enables fans to connect with you on a deeper level, plus they can connect and converse with each other. YouTube recently introduced the Community tab, which a few channels have already. You can utilize the Community tab by creating polls, sharing your videos, sharing pictures, etc. This helps to build and connect with your community. Number 5, utilize YouTube Analytics. If you go into YouTube Analytics and click the subscribe button, it will help you identify the videos that attract the most subscribers. Since these videos attract the most subscribers, create more videos on similar topics to gain more subscribers. Identify your traffic sources. When you go into YouTube Analytics and click on traffic sources, you can find out the age, gender, and the country where your viewers are coming from. This helps you to form a clearer profile of your typical subscriber. The more you know about the problems, wants, and desires of your audience, the more targeted can be your videos. Number 6, keep a positive viewpoint. Sometimes people post negative comments under your videos. Other times people will include inappropriate words in their comments. So how can you keep a positive atmosphere in your comments? Create a blocked words list or a blacklist of those words. Click the card icon to watch my video on how to block or blacklist certain words on YouTube. When these words appear in your comments, they'll automatically be filtered and won't appear to the public. Number 7, go beyond YouTube. Your audience is probably using other social media platforms to engage in conversations online. Therefore, make sure you also have accounts on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter so you can engage with them there. For example, I created a Facebook group that supplements my YouTube channel. If you want to become a member of my Facebook group, Tube Video Bootcamp, click the link in the description below this video. You'll be able to ask questions and converse with other members in the group. Here are a few important things to keep in mind. Recognize that each viewer is actually a person, not just a number. Be interested in your fans by interacting with them in the comments on YouTube and other social media platforms. When you engage with your audience multiple times, they'll get to know, like, and trust you and become your biggest fans. If you want to learn how to grow your audience on YouTube and generate traffic, leads, and subscribers on autopilot, click the subscribe button below and check out the related videos.